November is a financial literacy month. So what you think about that this month?
I think it's a good step by the government to have this financial literacy month because I'd say 90% people do not have enough knowledge about their finances. But I would like to know your thoughts as to why they must have chosen November.
Because we grow our mustache in November.
Who are in my age gap between 21, 23. We are learning about finances through social media and internet nowadays, but as a person who has been in this industry for so long, like what would be your roadmap to success?
Age 23 is your age to learn, experience, and keep learning and keep experience. So first thing is this, make your minimum 3 to 5 years plan. Short-term goals, long-term goals. So this is very important. Welcome everyone, episode 5, Life and Loans. And today I'm sitting with Mr. Maudit, recently joined Team Vic. Welcome Maudit, how are you?
I'm good, Vikas. Thanks for the warm welcome. And it's exciting to be with the team.
Very nice, and the best wishes for you.
Thank you.
So you enjoying it?
Yeah, so far so good.
So how's your journey from a bank to a broker?
I think bank is a good experience. It's a good place to start your journey in the financial industry because at that point clients are coming to you. So the experience of meeting like so many clients in one day and it adds up over the years you've been working for the bank. So you understand a lot about people's psychology, even money, and where they struggle, where I could help them as an advisor. So I think that's a good experience to learn and then, hopefully bring it to the mortgage industry and the team Vic Sharma as well.
Great, thank you. And I think so. There's one other reason also, the gap between the household income and the home prices is increasing.
Yes.
So that GDS or TDS box
You can't fit
is smaller now.
Yeah.
And we definitely need a B lending or a private lending.
Yeah.
I seen in the private lending there was an offer. Sometimes the offer comes around 5.99% rate of interest. It is definitely
higher than
an aggressive approach.
Yeah.
Right. So amazing. So November is a financial literacy month. So what you think about that this month, and exactly if you have something in mind?
I think it's a good step by the government to have this financial literacy month because as I've been a financial advisor at a bank, I've realized I'd say 90% people do not have enough knowledge about their finances and how it should be managed. So I guess it's a good initiative by the government to have a dedicated month to that. But I would like to know your thoughts as to why they must have chosen November, like because that was a question in my mind, like why November?
Because we grow our mustache in November. So actually, a majority of the financial institution, I want to let our listeners know that October 31st is end of the financial year. And this is the right time to reassess and reset your financials, your future financials goals based on current situations. If you need any amendment, especially or when you borrow the money, and second for financial security and financial freedom. So this month is very, very important. Yes, we all work hard to earn money, and then we save money. So now, one side is the inflation.
You're losing money.
That definitely putting our money value down.
Yeah.
And how to keep our money value up or ahead of inflation.
Yep.
So what comes in our mind? Where to invest? So real estate, mutual funds, GICs, so many tools available. So November, the reason of the November to be a financial literacy month is to reassess yourself, where your financial health standing. Like every year, we go to our family physician or to the doctor to get our physical check, how our liver is working, how is our heart is working,
Yeah.
eyesight, because everything is important, has to be balanced.
Yeah.
So same way in uh, in our in financing side.
Hmm.
So the money we borrow and the money we save and invest,
Yeah.
it has to be a balance
Yeah.
accordingly, right? So
And
why I'm
pre-
saying so much so, Yan? And so that's I hope you understand exactly
yeah.
the importance of the month of November.
Oh yes, for sure. Yeah. And another like funny reason I could find out is that it's the holiday season coming as well. So I guess November is a good time to let people know that don't overspend during the holiday. Like that would be another
Of course, don't fall in those attractive
deal.
advertisements and see what exactly you need
Yeah.
and make a budget.
Yeah.
So budget is very important, exactly.
Correct. Yeah.
So most of the time we forget to make our budget.
Yeah.
November month reminds us we have to sit, we have to check where our money is getting drained,
Yeah.
where the leakages are. So your household income is just like a bucket, and see there's a holes in the bucket.
Yeah.
Where you overspending it,
and then try
because the future is also going to be a little rough and tough.
Yeah.
For that, we must need have some funds
Yeah.
for rainy season. If your mortgage is coming in renewal in 1 year, 2 year, or this year, how you want to plan accordingly.
Yeah.
That you want to go for a variable rate, you want to go for a fixed rate. Lots of people seen how the variable rate going up, and monthly payments were out of roof. So interest payment was not even enough. So there was a deferred payments during refinance. So their principal got increased more.
Yeah.
House prices go down, right?
Yeah.
There's a lots of things basically the customer need to be faced.
Yeah.
So for that purpose, this is the time to reset yourself that which direction you want to go. Or in case this house is burden for you, you want to downsize yourself. Yes, this is a low market, but where you want to take your financial future, you should not be choked.
Yep.
And sometimes the tough decision need to take.
Yeah.
And we need to take. So reassess everything. This is the month of reassess.
Okay.
So this is what I want to phrase it, and we welcome anybody need to assess that their renewal is coming, and based on their future financial plan, we can lay out a plan for you exactly.
So you just mentioned about people making wrong decisions, which can lead to them having, like you said, getting into a higher rate and then not being able to afford their payments. Leaving that aside, on a personal level, where did your knowledge of money come from, and how did you start with the knowledge of money?
It's a simple, I can say the knowledge of money when I got introduced the plus sign, the minus sign, and the divide sign, and the multiple sign.
In school.
Because money works accordingly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and but in our families, they always says, do not spread your legs out of your blanket, right? So you're out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Give you an example. If somebody's buying a house today, amortization is 30 years.
Yeah.
Payment is $3,000 a month. He or she need to pay $3,000 a month for 30 years. The income you not even earned yet, you putting that income on the bet, right? Because you have to pay those $3,000 for 30 years. Unless in between you're selling the house or refinancing the house, that's another story. And most of the time we refinance to take equity out. So your monthly payment is to be going up. Increase. So based on that, you have to increase your income also.
Yeah.
So that is the main thing we have to realize when we borrow money. the borrowing is getting easy and easy in the future.
Yeah.
Because most on you can say that because of technology and the products and availability of the funds, so availability of the credit, this is a huge business all over the world. So this is a human's decision that how much they have to borrow, how long they have to borrow, and in the future they have to be debt free.
Yeah, that's the goal.
That's a perfect retirement, you can say that, right? So you can take the debt for the retirement.
Yeah.
And yes, we have a plan for that. Reverse mortgages.
Correct.
Because on that time you need a cash flow.
Yeah.
So with the time to time, you have to reassess your financial goals. Are you going in the right direction or not? Where are you lacking? If you need to earn more money, you need to earn more money.
Yeah.
Because if you're not going to do it, inflation is going to eat you alive. So that is very important.
Yeah.
So what else you have in your mind?
So now, because everything you talked about, it's about people's mistakes and stuff. I've seen you as Mr. Perfect, but I'm pretty sure you might have made some mistakes. What's one biggest mistake that you feel that could have landed you in a better place financially that you would have avoided that time?
I have been very conservative and the money matters in the initial stage of my life in Canada. I need to understand the things. So as all new immigrants, I want to buy a property.
Yeah.
And I want to pay it off and live like a, king, easy life. But circumstances are not like that. Inflation is very high. In the past, it has been. Things are getting expensive.
Yeah.
All the service industries, their charges are going up. And your monthly need of the money is growing.
Yeah.
For that, you have to catch up with your income. So the biggest mistake, if you say that I did it, I don't remember. I never did a big mistake.
Okay.
Small mistakes happen here and there.
Yeah.
Because I used to buy property, but keep it for longer term.
Yes.
Right. But I seen people made a mistake.
Yeah.
So I learned
from other people.
From other people's
mistakes,
basically. That's why in Sanskrit there is two words we call a buddhiman and a pragyavan. Buddhiman means a wise person who learns from his or her mistakes. A pragyavan who learned seeing others doing mistakes.
Yeah.
He no need to go through that circle of making mistakes. So I seen people making mistakes.
Yeah.
Buying a house bigger than need.
Yeah.
Buying the cars expensive than their need.
Yeah. Just to
bad shopping habits.
Yeah.
And it's all human journey. We learn from there, right? So I don't want to go to that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. If no one is making a mistake, how we can learn?
Yeah, exactly.
But I never made a huge or big mistake that my whole financial life
could have changed.
Could ever change with that. No. But I've seen lots of people making this mistake. People still making mistakes.
Yeah.
And one word I would like to describe here, I think so. We should have to use that word in our financial literacy side.
Yeah.
And that is patience.
Patience, yeah.
Patience, we keep this word on the side.
Yeah.
We have to teach to humans when is the right time to take action. When is the right time to buy the house? When the right time to sell the house, or when the right time you need a bigger house.
Yeah, to upgrade.
I can give you my example.
Yeah.
I came in Canada in 1998, end of 1998, September. So my first house, I bought it in 2001, March.
Okay.
That was a 2 bedroom, 2 washroom, small condominium apartment.
Okay.
But big enough on that time, almost 1,000 square feet.
Yeah.
And I purchased it for 129,000. After 2.5 years, my family was growing.
Yeah.
My son born, and I had a daughter before. So I do need a separate room for them.
Yeah.
And my parents also arrived from India.
Mm.
Then I moved to 3 bedroom, small house, 1,700 square feet. It was enough for us.
Mm.
And finally, when my kids need a separate rooms,
Yeah.
after 4 years in 2008, I moved to a builder house. Now this house is 3,000 square feet. Everyone have their own room and enjoying the space.
Yeah.
And we add another family member, my Labrador, Leo, the
Nice.
dog. And now my daughter moved from the house. My son is going to be, because they have to pursue their career.
Yep.
That 3,000 square footage is bigger for me.
Mm.
So what to do with that? So this is the graph will
Life
basically
cycle.
go.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to downsize.
Downside. Yeah.
In the future, I will definitely do the downsize it.
Yeah.
And I may buy another recreational property with that, because
Or
I want to enjoy my retirement.
or like some cottage up north, something.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So everything should be on time,
Mm.
with the time, based on your need.
Yeah.
So most of the decisions we may make made based on our want.
Yeah.
It's very simple concept. From the grade 1, we talk about these stories.
Yeah.
What is the difference between want and need, and how the greed works in there.
Yeah.
Greed is very hidden also, like ego.
Yeah.
We're talking about the financial literacy here.
Mm.
But when it comes to literacy cannot be a financial only.
All inclusive.
It can be based on your habits, based on your
Personality.
thought process, opinions,
Yeah.
or who is behind
Mm.
those thoughts, basically. Sometimes we follow others
Yeah.
blindly, without fact check. And financial literacy, we need it because it's based on facts.
Yeah.
It is not based on emotions.
Mm.
But you will see major decisions were based on emotions. And in emotion-based decisions, always you feel a setback with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's what happened
Yeah.
in 2021, 2022. Emotions and the new immigrants were like, we are not going to be a house owner in future.
It was the
if the prices keep going like that.
fear of missing out.
Definitely. On that time, if everybody talk about fact base,
Yeah. No one would have bought. Yeah.
definitely. People lost millions and millions and millions of dollars
Yeah.
altogether, and still losing.
They don't learn from their mistakes yet.
This is a very psychological question, basically. So right time, right decision, what I say.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Don't buy a home just because everyone is buying it. Like,
Yeah.
buying it when you feel you can afford it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Just give you an example. When I used to live in the village with my grandfather,
Mm.
so he used to check the wind is blowing from east to west. So he will say the east winds come with more humidity.
Yeah.
And most of the diseases, especially in the summertime and the rainy time, skin diseases, etc., happens when the wind blow from east.
Yeah.
Most of the bacteria
Yeah.
grow in the wind and on the surfaces,
Mm.
because the wind is more moisture, having a more moisture in there. And when the wind blows from west to east, it is more colder and less moisture in there. Same example, sometime he said, look at the sun, and there is some 2 or 3 ring around the sun, like a shade.
Yeah.
And that is a sign of there's a high moisture in the atmosphere and probability of the rain in 48 to 72 hours based on that.
Yeah.
He used to predict like that. So that we predict with the nature.
Yeah.
Right? And it's a fact-based decisions. Now we have a lots of information available. How many experts are there? They are talking about the potential risk of particular market. It can be real estate, it can be technology, it can be anyone. But why don't we listen to them? What happened? We follow others. One person got a success, everybody start doing the same thing, they're copying it.
Yeah.
And that's what the human does.
Yeah. So now, because I'm new to the team and I have a good coach with me, but also I'm sure there are pretty more, like a lot of people watching who are in my age gap between 21, 23, the younger generation. We are learning about finances through social media and internet nowadays, but as a person who has been in this industry for so long, like what would be your roadmap to success for someone just starting out?
Great question, Maudit. And I'm going to answer this question based on my experience. So, age 23 is your age to learn, experience, and keep learning and keep experiencing. So, first thing is this: make your minimum 3 to 5 years plan. Short-term goals, long-term goals. So right now, you have to focus on your career. 100% focus on your career with numbers. The first year, I want to achieve this much volume in mortgages.
Yeah.
Or this much money on my T4A. Either way, we have to work.
Yeah.
So coming back to the volume. For example, you want to do $10 million volume this year. So based on the average ticket size of the mortgage, you have to do 20 to 25 mortgages in this case. And for that, average 2 files a month.
Yeah.
So coming to do 2 files in a month, are you ready for that? Yes, you're ready because of your experience, because you came from the bank side. But how to approach or how to attract the customers? So you have to lay out a plan. You have to start working on your social media platforms. Keep your approach as an advisor instead of a salesperson. We are not selling rates here.
Yeah, giving advice.
We are not selling dreams here. Mortgages are fact-based.
Yeah.
If you're not going to pay, you're going to lose your credit as well as your home also in future, in case it gone in the worst way. So right now your focus is my 3 to 5 years goal.
Yep.
Your personal goal also. Not even the mortgage goals also. So definitely in the future, if you have a plan to get married, to start a family, so you have to keep in mind, because that is also your future. So let's start to make the platform better. So these coming years, you not even earn money. You have to earn so much experience also.
Yeah.
You have to meet as much as customer to know exactly what is in the customer's mind when they come to the level of having a home ownership. So this is very important. And see, those plans are going aligned very well with your actions.
Yeah.
Sometime with the market change, we have to change our actions and also our content.
Yeah.
So these days, I always telling my team that focus on reverse mortgages also. Hundreds of Canadians turning 65 every day.
Yeah.
How many of them on a house, and how many of them on a great equity in the house, but how many of them are lacking in the financial planning and they don't have a strong retirement plan. So for them, it is hard to refinance their house also because the monthly income they are generating through CPP or old age pension is not enough to qualify.
Yeah.
So reverse mortgage is the only tool they can increase their cash flow without paying mortgage monthly payments. But depend if the goal is long term, so their property is increasing in the value if the debts on the property in shape of interest are increasing.
Yeah.
So you have to set up your goals accordingly. And as a coach, I will monitor. Without coach is hard because someone is there to monitor you also.
Yeah.
If you are going to monitor yourself, you're going to start cheating with yourself. Right?
It's like sports. Like even the best sports people have coaches above them.
Definitely, same thing.
Yeah.
Because you want to be a best
Yeah.
in your work. Who doesn't want?
Yep.
Even you talk about the sports person, everybody want to win a gold medal.
Yeah.
That is the definitely ultimate goal.
Hmm.
So what is a gold medal? What is the definition of your gold medal is?
Financial
This
freedom.
much T4 I have to earn. For that, you have to do this much business.
Yeah.
For that, do this much business. You need this much clients.
Yeah.
For this much clients, you need this much referral sources. For this much referral sources, what you have to do
Yeah.
to make yourself a brand, that is important. So it is doable, 100% doable. I did it, and I can surely say anybody can do it.
Yeah.
But your focus has to be precise and your goals has to be achievable and your actions need to be aligned and you must be ready to amend your actions based on the change going to happen in the future in the industry. Always eyes open and wake up. So that is basically my suggestion for you.
Just following up on that conversation, you've seen the gap in the generation since you came to the country and what we call the Gen Z right now. So what do you think has changed since your generation to the Gen Z, and what are we doing wrong? And also what Gen Z is doing better than your generation? What do you think?
The only two things I can say here. One, Gen Z, I can say it's a good or bad, but both way, there's a lots of availability of distraction.
Yeah.
So many influencer talking about one thing in so many different ways. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
But you have to choose a path based on finding yourself. Who are you?
Yeah.
If someone's content is attractive to me and I want to become like that person, but originally I am not like that. So Gen Z, first of all, they have to find themselves who they are. Followers, becoming a followers, yes, is okay because of social media. We have to follow each other. We are humans, fine. We have to support each other also. But do not lose your originality. Find who you are. And for that, you have to stop following others and you can say the journey should be inward. Like Maudit, yes, who I am. I'm a morning person, I'm an afternoon person, I'm a late night person. What are my habits? Okay, write it down, make a list, and see which of the things are basically taking away your time,
Mm-hmm.
and which are the habits are not useful anymore because you're growing up,
Yeah.
right? And now you're going towards career. You're out of college, out of school, and then you have to adopt a new discipline, basically, right?
Yeah.
So self-assessment is very important in this case. And Gen Zs are amazing to do that. But the only thing is consistency in that.
Yeah.
And that is all distraction.
Yeah.
There's a lots of noise outside. So the only way you can find yourself when you're out of the noise and see what is the inside noise of you.
Yeah.
What is the real Mudit want to do it? And if the Mudit want to be a pilot and you got a mortgage license, one day that real Mudit will come out. Exactly.
Yeah.
I seen it people change career in different stages of life. But some of them able to find themselves earlier. Yes, it's look a spiritual talk.
Yeah.
But end of the day, to whom we listen? We listen sometime our brain, what are the brain saying?
Yeah.
And sometimes it's emotional thinking, we listen to our heart. And then we start listening to others. So many information. Where to balance it out? Who can guide you?
Yeah.
Exactly. So, number one, you need a right coach and right guide.
Mm-hmm.
That is very important. Before, our parents, our grandparents used to do that work. Now, mom and dad both has to work to survive.
Too expensive.
So, who's going to teach you
Yeah.
these things, basically? That's the coach's work.
Yeah.
And what was the second question exactly?
So the second question was like, how can the Gen Z no, what are the qualities that you feel that Gen Z have better than? Yeah.
So number one, I talk about two things. One was distractions, and another thing is patience.
Patient. Yeah.
Nobody can teach patience to another person. They can define what is the patience.
Yeah.
But everybody have a different level of patience. But so many things comes with time.
Yeah.
It takes time. If you have to create a new human being in natural way, so the baby takes almost 9 months.
Yeah.
So it takes time. That patience is basically, you can say, it teaches us a lots of things.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to step back, rethink,
Yeah.
reassess, and react again
Yeah.
with the new tools.
Completely.
If we don't understand patience well, that's why the chaos, that's why the rat race, that's why the struggle is there.
Yeah.
If you're not, simple as that, 100-meter runner, I don't think so can run a marathon.
Yeah.
So if someone is a 100-meter runner, and with the same speed you have to run for 10 kilometers, you're not going to do it. So you have to find out yourself who you are. Are you a team person, like a relay race? Are you an individual, like a runner, 100-meter runner? Or you're thinking long term?
Yeah.
So similar way in financial industry. So there's a short-term rewards, there's a long-term rewards, and there's a team rewards.
Yeah.
So find yourself what kind of personality you are, and how you want to approach.
But be patient.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I think patience is the most important thing that I think people my age should learn. Because of social media, we've gotten habitualized to instant gratification.
Definitely.
So I think that's what we need to learn, like be patient and trust in the future and trust the process.
And go to the reality.
Yeah.
If somebody posting, okay, every 6 months he's changing the cars, right? And later on they found it out, he was stealing the car.
Yeah.
Not the earned one, I would say, So don't get distracted with that.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
I think so. That's why I'll be going to sum up for today's talk.
It was a very nice conversation.
Same here. Thank you very much.
Lot to learn. Yeah.